The federal government has now received court approval to reopen a terrorism case linked to Bello Turji, and this development is already drawing strong attention across the country. According to court proceedings, the Federal High Court has agreed that the case, which was earlier struck out, should return for fresh hearing. This decision means the legal process around this matter is officially back on track, and Nigerians should expect more updates as court activities resume. As you are watching, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss important updates like this. What happened here is very important to understand in simple terms. Earlier this year, the federal government had filed serious charges against several suspects accused of having links with violent activities connected to bandit operations. These charges were related to terrorism, support activities, and logistics. However, due to issues linked to how the case was handled at that time, the court removed it from its active list. That did not mean the matter was settled or that the suspects were cleared forever. It only meant the case stopped at that point. Now, the government has returned to court and formally requested permission to reopen the case, explaining that the matter is too important to be abandoned. The court carefully considered the request and agreed that the case should continue. This approval allows prosecutors to present evidence again, call witnesses, and move the matter forward under proper legal procedure. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to help us continue bringing clear and trusted news. This decision sends a strong message that terrorism-related cases will not be ignored, especially those connected to long-running security challenges in parts of the country. For many Nigerians, insecurity has affected daily life, business, farming, travel, and education. Because of this, court actions like this one are closely watched by the public. People want to see that the justice system is active and responsive. It is important to say clearly that reopening a case does not mean anyone has been judged guilty. In Nigeria, the law requires that every accused person is innocent until proven otherwise in court. What this means is that the suspects will now have the opportunity to defend themselves properly, while the government will also have to prove its claims with facts and evidence. This balance is part of how justice works, and it helps protect the rights of everyone involved. If this explanation is helpful, please like the video and subscribe. The reopened case is also connected to wider efforts by the government to deal with security issues using both legal and security measures. While security forces work on the ground to reduce violence, the courts handle the legal side by addressing those accused of supporting or organizing such activities. Many experts believe that security operations alone are not enough, and that strong legal actions are also necessary to reduce long-term threats. For communities affected by violence, this court decision may bring cautious hope. Some people believe that when cases like this move forward properly, it can discourage others from offering support or assistance to violent groups. Others are watching closely to see whether the case will move faster this time and whether justice will truly be served. If you want continuous updates on how this story develops, please like this video and subscribe. Another important part of this story is timing. The reopening of the case comes at a period when the government has repeatedly stated its commitment to improving national security and accountability. Legal actions such as this are often seen as part of that broader promise. By returning to court, the government is showing that it intends to follow due process instead of letting serious allegations fade away quietly. The court's approval also means that procedural mistakes made in the past are being corrected. In many cases, delays and technical problems have affected high-profile trials in Nigeria. When cases are reopened and handled properly, it gives the justice system another chance to do things the right way. This is why many legal observers say the decision is significant, even before the trial resumes fully. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you stay informed. As the case moves forward, several things are expected to happen. Court dates will be fixed, lawyers on both sides will make their arguments, and evidence will be examined openly. The public will also be watching to see whether the case proceeds smoothly without unnecessary delays. Transparency at this stage is very important for public confidence. For the government, this case is not just about one individual or group. It is also about showing seriousness in handling terrorism-related matters. For the judiciary, it is about ensuring fairness and following the law strictly. For Nigerians, it is about safety, justice, and trust in institutions. Please like this video and subscribe if you value clear and balanced reporting. This development has also renewed discussions about how terrorism cases are handled in Nigeria. Some people are asking whether the legal system has enough resources to handle complex cases. Others are talking about the need for better coordination between investigators and prosecutors. These conversations are likely to continue as the trial unfolds. What is clear for now is that the case is no longer closed. The court has opened the door again, and the legal process will take its course. Nigerians should expect more court appearances, legal arguments, and official statements in the coming weeks and months. Each step will help shape the final outcome of the case. As always, it is important for the public to rely on verified information and avoid rumors. Court cases often involve many stages, and not every update means a final decision has been reached. This channel will continue to break things down in simple language so everyone can understand what is happening. Please remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. In the bigger picture, this story reflects Nigeria's ongoing effort to address security challenges through lawful means. While the road is not easy, actions like reopening serious cases show that institutions are still functioning. Whether this leads to convictions or acquittals would depend entirely on what happens in court. For now, the key takeaway is simple: the terrorism case linked to Bello Turji is officially back before the court, and legal proceedings will continue. The situation remains developing, and Nigerians should stay informed as events unfold. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share it with others who want clear news, and subscribe to this channel for timely and reliable updates.